How to find Coinbase promo code. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Firefox or Safari. Then go to the website couponfollow.com, which is a great resource for promo codes. Once you are on couponfollow.com, locate the search bar and type in Coinbase. After, you will see a list of verified promo codes for Coinbase. Be sure to check the details of each code, including the expiration date and whether it's still valid or not. When you find a code you want to use, click on it to highlight and copy it to your clipboard. Next, open a new tab or window and return to Coinbase. In your Coinbase account, look for the option to redeem a promo code. Link on redeem and paste the code you copied into the designation file to apply it. You can also revisit the Coinbase coupon section on couponfollow.com. Scroll down to the various promo codes and choose the one that offers the best benefits for you. Remember to verify all important details, including the expiration date, to avoid missing out. So this is how you can find Coinbase promo code. I hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips.